Today guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to install Windows 7. For this, you need to download this Windows 7/x64.iso. Then you go to this Oracle VirtualBox and new. Then you gotta name this whatever you want. Example, Rainiel. This I will use my real name. And on the ISO image, you need to press this other. And then press this Windows 7/x64 and then open. And then in the edition, you need to press this Windows 7 Ultimate and skip undetected installation, and then go to hardware and set this to only one. Yeah, and then finish, and then you're gonna start it. Then wait for a few minutes to powering the VM up. And then you're gonna see on my screen that it is running. Ito na guys, nag-start na yung starting Windows na. Makikita nyo na po yung display panel. Wait lang po. Ito na po. And then press this next and install now. We just gotta wait for a few moments to set this up. And then you just gotta accept the license terms, then press the next button and custom advance, and then next again, and wait a few moments.
So guys, gagawin nyo papangalanan nyo lang yan ng kahit anong name nyo, example, tapos next nyo lang to, tapos next lang din ulit, tapos ask me later, tapos ito, hanapin nyo yung pinakamalapit na bansa sa atin, example, Taipei, yan ang pinakamalapit sa atin, hanapin nyo lang dyan. Tagalan nung tayo dyan kasi hindi ko mahanap eh. Pero wait lang, Taipei yung hanapin dyan kasi yun yung pinakamalapit na bansa sa atin. Yan, hanap nyo na, next. And then, kung saan nyo ginawa, example, sa work, yan, sa home, saan, sa bahay, kaya home network siya. Tapos wait lang ulit tayo. Medyo matatagalan yan. Pero di naman ganun matagal kaya nung kanina. Habang nag-i-install. Tayin lang natin. Tapos ayan na, nag-i-start. Makikita natin sa screen na nag-i-start na. Tapos ayan na. Ayun yung makikita mo na yung welcome na yan. Which means nag-run na nga yung natin, yung install natin Windows 7. Wait na lang natin mag-prepare yung desktop. Ayun o, nasunod din ang preparing your desktop. So wait na lang natin yan. Kaya na pala guys, pause eh. Medyo matatagalan yan. Hintay lang tayo. Hintayin lang natin. Lapit naman na yan eh. Ayun na. Ganda. Search nyo dyan, control panel. Search nyo lang yung control panel dyan. Once napunta kayo sa control panel, pinutin nyo yung system. Yan. Hindi, balik kayo. Mali yan. Balik kayo dyan. Yung system and security. Ganun ulit, pindutin nyo yung system. Yan, makikita nyo na yan. Download nyo na yung Windows 7. Yan guys, thank you sa panonood. Thank you kay James Jo.